those of you that don't know me, welcome to another vlog. So thank you all for watching, first of all, and clicking on this video. It is greatly appreciated. We're gonna be seeing a whole span of my week, and today is only Monday. So I did my makeup. Super cute, super fun, fresh, everyday little makeup look. I went to CVS, so I got the Thayer's Natural Remedies Blemishing Clearing Toner Witch Hazel. Heard a lot of really good things about this. I've also heard that it's really drying. I have like combination skin, so I'm just gonna try to see what happens, especially in the wintertime. I lost both my chapsticks, so I needed a new chapstick. And then since my lips feel so dry, I've been needing a lip scrub. So I got this one from Burt's Bees, and a conditioning lip scrub. And it looks really cute. I like the honeycombs on the top. So yeah, a little CVS haul. Super cute. I'm trying out the scrub. Feels really nice. It looks like this in the pot. I ended up stopping by at the supermarket, so let's get this little haul. So these are all the goods. I got some chicken sausages that are already pre-made. They're gluten-free, which is everything. I have a gluten allergy. I'm celiac, so I really look for gluten-free things. So this is a plant-based burger that's also gluten-free, which is amazing. Usually these burgers have wheat to hold everything together, so it's pretty nice. And of course, Nutella. I am obsessed with this brand of kettle chips. My favorite ones are the jalapeno ones, but they didn't have them, so I opted for these barbecue ones. And I love to bake, so we got some baking stuff, and I needed some new vanilla extract. And then I said I was gluten-free, so in my house I like to use almond flour to bake. And we got some chocolate chips because I'm gonna make some chocolate chip cookies, and yay. Oh, I also got these these incense and an incense holder from Dollar Tree. Making sure it's half it. You get it. I'm excited! Chocolate chips. Super excited. So now I'm taking a spatula to mix up our lovely batch, and I'll show you guys what it looks like since I haven't shown you guys at all. This is what she looks like right now, and now we're using the spatula to fold in the chocolate chips. They look so cute. A lot of chocolate for sure. I think I went overboard with the chocolate chips, but it's all good. You can't complain about that, right? Okay, I'm gonna have a little bit. Pretty good. I like it. Tastes like a cookie. everyone. I am now at a park near my job, just waiting around until it is a little bit later and I go to dance. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I'm doing good, feeling a little lightheaded-ish, but nothing that pistachios won't fix. So I'm probably gonna snack on that and watch these little kids play, and then I'm gonna go to dance. So just got out of work and the sky looks so pretty. The sun is starting to set a little bit earlier this week, so everything's like depressing, but it's still cute. Nice to leave when the sun is setting instead of when it's pitch black. So also it's like 65 degrees and it's like almost the middle of November. Don't understand. Global warming. So sad. Anyway, I'm gonna meet my friend Emily. Hi! Hi vlog! We found this little place, Savannah Sweets. Looks so cute. There's gluten-free stuff here. Okay, but look at this thick set brownie. I bit into it already because I couldn't help myself. And
Did
it's really good.
Thick set?
Thick set.
That's what it's called?
Just look at it. It's like thick triple C. Like, how else could you describe it, right?
I never heard of thick set.
Okay, so I'm back home now, and I had so much fun with Emily. I just wanted to show you guys what I got while I went out thrifting. Okay, as soon as I saw this, I was like, yes, need to have it. She is so cute. She's like a fisherman's utility vest with a little zipper, and it's really nicely like padded and lined, and it has so many pockets. I'm gonna just have so much fun with this. I have a few styling ideas for it already, maybe with some cargo pants, kind of like loose unicorns on Instagram. This is the bomber that I got. She's a poo-poo brown, but I like poo-poo brown, you know, she's in the season. And on the inside she's all orange, which I think is really cool. I don't know what size this is. It doesn't have any tags or anything, but there's some ruching on the sleeves on the sides, and it's really heavy lined. It also has this pocket on the side, how usual bombers do, and these pockets over here. So I feel like I'm gonna be able to wear this a little bit longer and well into the other seasons. I think it's a really good seasonal jacket. wasn't really feeling well, so I decided to take a bath and do a little me time. I love combining these two bath soaks. They make me feel like I'm having a very luxurious bath. This morning, I went to my very first yoga class at Y7, and it was so much fun. Check out their studio. I met up with my boyfriend, and we got some boba tea. Neither Jacob or I liked this art gallery, like, at all. Hi everyone, it is Gabby coming in from somewhere else. I am finally editing this vlog right now, and I realized that I never did an outro. So here we are. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was so much fun to make and to film. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You already know the deal, everybody. And I hopefully will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day, night, weekend, whenever you are watching this. And love you guys. Bye.